Welcome. If you want to custom Rift emblem in League of Legends Wild Rift, at the first you have to click right here. Next, let's tap on the personalization and tap on the Rift emblem. And to change it, we have to pick one of them and then just go back. And here we got also the information where we can get it. So I think that all of them we can just get from the Poro store, or this one is also from the achievements. And yeah, 4 of them are from the Poro store and 1 we can get from the achievements. So if you unblock one of them, you can simply change it right here. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.